Pinterest SEO, keyword research tool. Guys, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to do Pinterest keyword research for traffic, guys. Stay tuned for the training. Before we get into the training, guys, I would like you to click that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you will be notified the next time I do another video. Also, guys, I will have a link below this video of some powerful tools that you can use to market your business online. Guys, I'll see you in the training. Okay, guys, Willie D. Jarnett here. I stated in my earlier videos that I was going to do a lot of keyword research just to make sure you guys are tracking that if you're going to use the platform Pinterest, you've got to do keyword research. What better way than to go ahead and get your keyword research where you can go ahead and start creating pins, creating content for your blog, and just already have that out of the way. So today we're just going to go through just a couple steps that I do to do my keyword research, and I'm going to show you the tools that I use. So the first thing that I always do, I always start out my keyword research at Pinterest itself. So what we'll do is we just use the keyword Pinterest marketing. We're just using Pinterest marketing. So if you see the need that you need any of these keywords right here, guys, and you can jot them down for research purposes. So you can go through here and just go through here and pick out keywords. But for time constraint for this video, we just gonna only use Pinterest marketing, guys. But that's how you do. You go through and you scroll through and find out what keywords you would like to use, and you jot them down, and once you jot them down, you go to the next step. So we're just going to use Pinterest marketing just for one keyword, just to get started, guys. These are other keywords you can use too. So we're going to go to, my favorite tool, Uber Suggest. So I've already put that keyword in there, just the constraints for time. And look at it, guys. We got Pinterest marketing on Pinterest, Pinterest for marketing. Look at all these different keywords you could use. And you can use these for boards. If you decide to use this particular keyword in your niche, you might want to do a Pinterest course. But I'm just trying to tell you what you can do. And these words are easily to rank for. When you see green right here, that is the competition, guys. It's SEO difficulties. So if you decide you want to write blog posts on this particular keyword, you could easily rank with it. So now when I say easily rank, it's not putting up junk, guys. You have to put up quality content. You have to put up well thought out content. So you can look at it like that. So let's stroll down here and look at some of the content that is already there with these keywords, guys. Look at it. 28,000, 24,000, 15,000, 15,000. There's a lot of repins, shares with this particular keyword. So yeah, it's marketing Pinterest. So you can come in and look at some of these articles here. And this is Neil Patel. You can get this this keyword research tool free. So you can come in and research what you're about to do. So you can even come in and look at some of these articles. Let's take a look at, like right here, Start a Mom blog. She is good. She is really good. We can look at her a blog right quick. And she comes through and tell you how to do things on Pinterest, guys. So yeah, you can come in and look at that. So that's one of the tools that I look at. So let's go to another tool that I use, guys. I use this BuzzSumo. And what you can do, guys, I can't remember what it is. You can go in and get like a 3 or 4 day trial, or it might be a 7 day trial, but you can get a 3 or 4 day trial with BuzzSumo. Do your keyword research and don't upgrade. Just go ahead and get all of that done. Just spend a good day, a day or two doing all your keyword research, and you can find related content. So like I've already got that in the cache. So let's just scroll through. And it has you can get statistics from Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest shares, Reddit. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here on the Pinterest shares, since we're on the Pinterest platform, and we're going to ascend so we can get the largest amount of shares right here. So guys, you can come in here, like I said, and if you wanted to get some things to give you some ideas about making content, you can just come right here and export it. Just export what you need, guys. I know with the trial period, you only get so much export, but you would export these links to an Excel file sheet and you can put them up, guys. You can just put these up, and then you can come in and use these articles that are here to create you something that's related to that is already getting traffic, guys. That's what you got to do. You go in and find out, and they're already getting traffic. So, and this is an expensive platform. I think this BuzzSumo is $100 a month, guys. So that's why you want to go in and get your just a couple day trial. Go ahead and pick out your niche, get your keyword research done, and then pick out related articles that you can use to create your blog when it comes to marketing it to Pinterest. So, okay. Now let's go over to another tool that I have. This is a tool that I purchased. It is real cheap, and I'll have a link below. Let's just add a keyword: Pinterest marketing. All right, look at there. One of my podcasters right there, Kate All. So we'll go here and we'll go Pinterest shares ascending here. And well, this is just a dashboard, guys. This is a new tool to me. So let's go here and find out the articles that we can do with this. And the reason why I got this tool is one price, and you don't have to spend a monthly fee. Once you buy it, it's yours. So that's what you want to do. And then this is how you do this tool. Let's go down here and let's do some deep search. Keyword. We apply filter. Now, guys, we can look at the articles here. We'll do a ascending, and then we can find articles that you can go in and research and use these articles. Now, the difference between this tool and BuzzSumo, they don't reach out to as many sites like BuzzSumo, because BuzzSumo you pay that bill a month, it's worth what it is. But this right here get you by for a one-time fee, guys. You can go here and filter that way, and then you can go in and get some ideas, and you can actually get some stuff done here. These are articles that you can use, that you can get some traffic to. But like I said, you can come to BuzzSumo. Let me go back to it. Yeah, I know they got a lot of places you can go, but you still have Neil Patel. So you still have other resources. See? So, you can come here. I like this tool here, because you always want to research your competitors, guys. So you want to come in and do that. So, yeah, come on in and do that, and do a deep research and find out what you competing against. So that's a good point when it comes to keyword research. Now let's go on the insight side. and you can see what is moving right now with Pinterest, and just like that, you still have to come in and do a deep search. It's just one of those things because you want to and apply. You want to get to your specifics. Yeah. You want to get to your specifics. Then you can even find out who your influencers are, guys. You can find out who are being successful with this, and they can come from a different social media background. So, but yeah, I this is a nice little tool. It's not as good as BuzzSumo, but it is a nice tool if you don't want to spend that kind of money. If you don't want to do that. And then you got your competitors too. Yeah. So, and they just showing you where they can actually research these keywords from, So, but like I said, you can come right here and make sure I still have that deep search keyword in there. Now it's out, so we can research. We can put it back in there. And apply. Oh yeah. And then we got some stuff to work with, guys. Some stuff to work with. Yeah, these are some of the tools that I use to actually do research on my competition, guys. You can come in here and look at some of these tools, and we can look at. Let's just actually look at the article itself. And sometimes they'll have share buttons on there, and the statistics might be a little bit more than what the actual software is pulling. So that's just the way it is. You look at right here on Pinterest engagement, and you look at their total shares, it's more than that, it's more than that. So, and then you can make an improvement and reach out more. We don't know how often these people are pinning. You could pin more and reach more. So, but I'm just want to show you two ways of being able to three ways of being able to research your competitors and to be able to do Pinterest SEO. And these are three tools that I'm using, guys. This is a powerful tool, and like I said, for free, guys. Now, I use a paid version of Uber Suggest, but for free, to get you started, you can use this tool here. This tool is pretty good. I got to give it credit. Uber Suggest has been around for a while, and Neil Patel bought it, and anything Neil Patel touches, guys, it's gold. So see how I expanded all my keywords right here, guys? You can come right here and look at all that, and you can check all of that, and you can download those URLs there. Yeah. Now, let me say this before we go forward. You won't get to do everything like this on the free version. You'll get like the first 10, but if that's what you want to do to get started, guys, that's perfectly fine. And let me see what the plans are for this. Just to let you guys know, it is not that expensive. I think it's it must have went up, but the best thing to do is to do it by the year. The year is extremely cheap. The year turned out to be like $9 a month. So, but I'm telling you guys, if you're in this thing for a business, to cut your time down, you got to have keyword research, because if you do not have keyword research, you're trying to market blind. You really are just taking a guessing game. So you have to follow statistics, guys. You got to see the previous statistics that is going on so you can know where you need to be. Because if you start out guessing and several months go down the line and you see no progress, you're going to stop. So the first thing that you got to start out doing is you have to do keyword research. And I know I probably have a lot of videos on this channel on keyword research, but when I find tools that is affordable that people can use, I like to share it, guys. So I hope this training has been pretty good to you, and I hope to see you guys in our Pinterest marketing class that I'm going to develop here in the next couple months, and hopefully we'll see y'all on the inside. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, guys. Take care. I'll see you the next time.